Kia ora, I'm James Beck and this is Food and Wine Country. I've been cooking for 15 years in Hawke's Bay now and I just love it here. I love the people, I love the producers, I love the products. In this behind the scenes series, I'm really excited to be pulling back the covers and show you the beating heart of Hawke's Bay Food and Wine Country. Okay, welcome to Napier, everybody. I'm really excited to be at the Laneway Apartments here right in central Napier. Today I'm going to be working with fish from my friends at Better Fishing. So first dish today I'm using some beautiful fresh snapper and I'm just going to make a real simple ceviche and I'm going to serve it in these beautiful corn tortillas which are made by the boys in Hands Down just around the corner. The zest of a lime is really important to me because it gives that flavour without making it too citrusy. A little bit of olive oil. Just going to make a little avocado mayonnaise here.
We make between about 6,000 and 9,000 tortillas based on what the orders are per week.
Wow.
Corn obviously is the biggest ingredient, the maize, which is grown in Hastings.
Yeah, cool.
And then the active ingredient in the process called nixtamalisation, which is slaked lime, which is a mineral like salt, and that is conveniently harvested in Havelock North.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
No problem.
Oh, nice bike.
Thanks.
I'm up to about just over 20 varieties of things.
Yeah.
A lot of the stuff I grow in the trays ends up getting fresh cut.
Yep.
Definitely coriander.
And lastly, I'm just going to grab this granita and this is just going to add just an extra layer to this dish. Beautiful freshness, ice cold on a hot summer's day. Yum. For the main dish today, I've got another bit of beautiful fish from Carl and Sarah at Better Fishing. I'm just going to really simply roast that with some nasturtiums, some dill, some lemons and some capers. Okay, so this is what we call a beurre noisette. So you basically just fry your butter in a pan until the butter fat starts to catch and brown and you get a beautiful hazelnut smell. Just going to strain that over the fish. I'm going to make a really interesting salad with these incredible mushrooms from Bruce out at Hillcross. These are his shiitake, and this one here is really interesting. That's called peke peke kiore, and that's actually a native mushroom to New Zealand, so that's really beautiful. And a little bit of Orehepa dambo to finish it off. Smells delicious.
Oh, beautiful.
A couple of snapper there as well.
Nice, man. Thank you.
So what we're trying to do with attachment to the end of the net here is just release the juveniles that we're not targeting. We want to be able to give you guys product that's the right size for your customer base. We don't want to just release them, we want to release them so that they don't hurt themselves as they release as well.
I mean, this is your idea, eh? No one else is doing this in the country.
Well, it's iconic. I mean,
It is iconic.
How can you come to Hawke's Bay and not have a flounder?
Yeah, that's true.
There you go. And there you go. Delicious oven-baked flounder with dill, capers and nasturtium. So I'm just going to make a really classic Kiwi dessert with some lovely white tip-top bread. Dip my bread into the syrup. On top of the berries, it's my little secret, just going to put some of this delicious lime and passion fruit curd, and then I'm going to top that with some Hawaii yogurt. Just going to put a little weight on top and just let it set in the fridge. Look at that. A feast for the senses.
In this behind-the-scenes series, we're going to discover the people and the produce that make Hawke's Bay such a great destination for foodies. Stay tuned for something delicious.